Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In today's video, I try to talk about the haptic feedback features which is present in the latest MIUI 12.5 version. So right now I'm using the Mi11 smartphone, and this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic in the MIUI 12.5 version. As you can see friends, I did create a separate playlist for the MIUI 12.5 users only, so make sure to check this playlist in case if you want to know other tips and tricks as well. But let's get started with this kind of features exploring in this latest MIUI 12.5 version regarding the haptic feedback functionalities. As you can see, so previously even I can compare side by side with the previous haptic feedbacks as well. So first you can go to the sound and touch options. So before, the options used to be combined in one single column, as you can see in the previous MIUI 12 version, in the one single column. But right now in the latest MIUI 12.5 you do get this kind of option which is called the touch option, as you can see. So I'm not sure whether this is only particular for the Mi11 smartphone or it got implemented in other MIUI 12.5 versions as well, but this is the option which is particularly designed, I think, only for the Mi11 phone, so not for other smartphones. But other smartphones you can get different options as well, as you can see here friends. So but in this phone there's an option which is called increasing and decreasing the levels, and there are particular demo options as well which is available here, so where you can actually feel the power of the haptic feedback in your smartphone. So that is how it is helpful when you're trying to increase and decrease the volume, when you're trying to scroll the web page. All those demonstration you'll get here. Apart from that, all the options which are present here is kind of same, as you can see friends. Same column is present from the previous MIUI 12 version to the latest MIUI 12.5 version. So there is nothing much change in terms of the haptic feedback functionality. Both have the same kind of level, increasing and decreasing, and both options are same, but only representation of this haptic feedback is different in the latest MIUI 12.5 version. So that is what I did feel the difference overall when I'm trying to use in this phone. So apart from that, there's nothing much major changes happened in this MIUI 12.5 in terms of the haptic feedback functionality. And the feedback, it depends upon the device, what device you're using. So that's why friends, may not be all the device will be having this kind of similar options, but there's nothing much major improvement as happened in the latest MIUI 12 update. So for more this kind of interesting updates, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. You can find all the videos together in one single playlist as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.